Right, so what we're playing is Hidden My Mum.
You don't hide your mum. Hidden My Game by Mum. It's a Japanese game.
Ah, okay. So your mum's hidden the game and you have to find the game. Right, okay. So let's...
It's like a Nintendo.
Press start.
Press start. Big bit.
Okay. Right, okay, so we've got the game right now. And there's Mum.
Yeah.
Mum's telling him off, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So the next day, Mum's hidden the game. Now we have to find it. Now, where do you think it is? Is it under the sofa? Is it in the cupboard? No. My game is lost.
I played this before, but it's quite a long time ago, so I don't really remember.
Okay, so.
Must I press start?
Okay, so.
Day one.
Day one, right? Okay.
Day one. One day. Okay. So it's not in the cupboard, so try look behind the books.
There it is. Found it.
Tap on it.
That was easy.
That's only day one.
Does it get harder?
Yeah, and there's also up to 3 games.
Okay.
Of this. And so press next. Let's see.
Right.
Day 2.
So where is it going to be? I can see Mum's feet. That's Mum, isn't it?
Open
Why is Mum hiding behind the curtains?
A ladder. A ladder. Must I open the curtains?
Mummy, where are you?
Look.
I found it.
And Mom.
Why?
He made me find Mom. Yeah, but first we need to show like where Mom is.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to find Mom, I don't think, because then you lose.
I know, but when you finish.
Okay, let him play. Right, there's Mum's feet.
So Musta's got the ladder. Now open the curtain.
There it is.
Now tap on the ladder.
That's it. Cool. Okay, let Musta decide. I know you played it before, so you know everything. I know you want to play. I can see something. Is that Mum?
No, I think that's the controller. She's in the cupboard.
What is she doing in the cupboard?
A broom. She's just spying on us.
Ain't she got nothing else to do?
Oh, yeah! Yay! The game console.
Hey.
Tap on it. Don't see.
Yay!
Don't say something.
Okay.
So there's about 30 days in total. That means this goes on for about a month. Hey, then the cricket day.
Right, so why have we got a crocodile in the house?
I have no idea.
Why are you fidgeting?
I know. I have no idea. But the login does.
Okay, yeah, right. So it'd be Mum put a crocodile in the house.
Yeah, she's really random. And he didn't die.
It's under the rug.
That's not a bug, that's
rug. That's Mum. Why is Mum
golden controller? Combo Panda's golden controller.
So she wore blue clothes, so she looks like the wall. Camouflage.
Yeah.
What? I thought that was a rug.
No, that's water.
And who's she?
She's heaven.
This game is crazy.
She's heaven.
Now you got a whole football team.
Yeah, just block in the cupboard. And Mum, I can see
Mum's hands. I can see Mum's hands.
Yeah.
And now all these people, they got a bump, they got a fly.
It's gonna be some dominoes.
Ooh. There it is.
Dominoes.
Got it. This is so easy peasy. It's kind of.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, lemon peasy, Pikachu. What? Okay, go to the next. Okay, is that some kind of Japanese? What's that? Try to take that nail off. No, go back. Try to take that nail off from the poster.
Okay. Why?
Okay, now you've got a pin. Put it there.
I nearly hit somebody on the head.
Ow! Ah! You're supposed to remove the pin. I had a toothpick stuck in my foot.
What?
Okay, back to
What are you fidgeting for?
I'm not fidgeting.
You are fidgeting.
How, ma? Okay, Musta, try to do that again, but once all the tiles are popped, then just pick the nail back up.
Okay, so now,
No.
don't.
It's not even touching all the wheels.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. Next.
That's 1 week gone. So next week, Mum is going to hide it again.
Yeah.
Now you've got people riding their bike in the house.
Save quick before it goes off again. before it goes
It's
off.
behind the cook. It's behind the bookshelf.
You need to be really quick.
You got run over.
Yes. So I think when you go there, you didn't even press the stop button.
Okay.
So when you go there, just take a little bit of books off, then press it back again.
See
Before
if Musa
the
can do it.
time limit was.
Come on, Musa, you can do it. Right now.
By the
now,
way, I'm not playing.
Go.
It's my song.
Go.
Now go back. It's flashing. When the green one flashes, then that means it's gonna go off.
I think
So you have to press the stop button quick.
I think
Okay.
you can use the other book.
No, you gotta be really quick. Musa, press the stop. Go back. Come on.
You see over there, look.
Finally, day 9.
What?
That's like a fish oven.
Hello.
Like some matches.
Okay.
Burn, baby, burn.
What is that?
Fish? Ooh, fish. It's Sam.
Is
We
that?
can cook fish.
All right, I get it.
Can make some smoke.
Ooh.
Oh no, Mom!
Why? She just appeared from nowhere.
I know. Maybe you have to take the fish before it does that.
I think he's in
It's getting
heaven.
harder now, isn't
I
it?
think he's in heaven.
Okay, so you're not supposed to get the fish out.
No. Oh, it's clam. Clam. Cook the clam.
Cook the clam, don't cook the fish, because Mom is hungry. She will come if you cook the fish. Now she won't come. She don't want. That's
She's
it.
the clam was like.
So when you had the fish, Mom thought you were hungry. I think.
Yeah.
Now we got an elephant in the house.
With a toilet paper.
Got an elephant in the room.
Okay, maybe
Don't ignore the elephant in the room.
if he eats, he's gonna poop something out. Must I go to the next room?
No way. No.
Maybe he's gonna poop something out.
No way. No way is he gonna poop it out. No way.
He's in the
You're gonna
orange.
make him poop the. No. Oh.
What's that? Put the tissue on.
Oh.
Put the tissue on. No, don't.
And they're
Don't
supposed to
make
wipe
him-
his bum with it. No, now you have to touch it. You needed the
Don't feed him the tissue.
You needed
The elephant's gonna get diabetes.
You needed the tissue. You needed the tissue to wipe your hands or get the computer out.
Yes.
I think you just have to wipe the poop out.
Okay, must I feed him everything? Make him fat.
Oh, poor elephant. Okay, now get the tissue and use it to get. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, but you
A bit
also
smelly
need.
though, I bet.
Yeah.
A bit tinky.
Yeah, it might not
I
work
couldn't
after
find
that.
Mom.
Uh-oh.
A bomb.
We
A
got
bomb. Defuse it. Defuse it.
Quick, yeah!
Mom.
What? How? Well, we're supposed to just let the bomb go. Okay.
Don't press top. Just press retry. Maybe just wait for it to explode, and it might explode the game.
Okay, it's probably inside, so don't be scared. Let's let it. Hey, it's not a real bomb.
It just goes like.
It just like,
Okay, next one.
what's that?
We have Grandpa.
It is Satoshi Nakamoto.
No, it's a Grumpy.
No.
I can see Mum behind the plant. Okay, give him some water. Give him some more water. Make him fat.
You ain't gonna get fat. Having
No,
water.
make him go to the toilet. Make him go to the toilet.
This is weird.
Make him go to the toilet. Look under the pillow. Look under the pillow. Look, Mama's behind the plants.
That's funny.
Okay, must I press next?
No.
This is okay.
There you go.
Oh no, he's under him again. Now.
Oh, he's meditating. Open the cupboard. No, don't put that on him. He's gonna go
He's gonna
mad.
turn into.
Oh,
Jason. Grandpa, how could you betray us? Well, you probably could betray us because of what we just did.
It was sticky.
Okay. So what you do? You have to silently. Go
Oh,
on. Nah.
make him meditate.
Now put him to sleep. You put him in a trance. Now throw him out the window. Hey!
I think there was a snake in one of the vases.
Okay.
That's
Mama. He was
Mom.
acting
Mom.
like he was acting like Dad.
I knew that was Mom. No, don't take the wallet. What's that? Oh, you got the DS. I think if you took the wallet, the police would come. Yeah, if you took the wallet, the police would come.
Okay.
Mom's crazy, isn't she? Okay, put some rocks inside.
Hey.
Item is full held.
Okay, so these rocks, what did they have to go? They go in there,
Yeah.
and then they go.
Make it heavy.
Yeah. Oh.
No. Throw it down the well.
Mom, you got nothing better to do.
Throw it down the well, then Mum would die.
Yeah.
You don't want to kill Mom. That's not very nice.
Oh, you can't even throw it down there anyway. So maybe you can... I think I know how to do this.
Okay, we need to. Okay. But Mom's in there. Don't throw the rocks in there.
Wait, maybe you look behind all the rocks.
It's behind that rock. Behind that rock. See?
Yay!
There.
Take that.
I thought that was like a snack.
Who's this guy? Okay, so soon one of them, you have to choose one of them.
Oh, his hat moved. His
So
hat
is it in
moved.
his hat?
Yeah, I think it's in his hat. Because,
Okay, listen.
yeah, we try.
Okay.
What's that? When you do it, plus we try.
Hey, sexy. I'm quite good at this game.
No, you're not.
It's in his hat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
his
look.
hat's moving.
Yeah.
Game's
Musta, press his
alive.
hat.
Yo! Okay, so this is day 18.
So there's a little pelican. So don't open the one with the pelican inside. Otherwise, it's just going to peck you to the ground. It's gonna
Okay.
peck you to the
Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, so we can see
Okay.
the pelican.
Yeah.
Don't open that. Okay.
There's a snake.
Ah,
I wanted
it's getting harder and harder, isn't it?
And who put a dojo inside our house?
That's a bit loud.
So, okay.
Quick!
Quick.
I think it's in the other
Maybe
one.
open that side one. Maybe open that side.
No, once the pelican is coming, then you have to open the other one. Wait.
Now.
Close!
Close. Okay, so we have to do it faster.
Yeah.
Day 18 is hard.
What?
What?
You just open the
I
one.
thought that was a
No,
I
you
thought that was a duck.
You have to wait until the pelican goes over the side. Then you
It's-
have to
I
open
don't
it.
even
Then you
think-
have to break them.
Wait,
Then
no,
you have to wait
it's
for
not a
it.
pelican.
Wherever it is, you have to wait for it to go on that side. Now,
Oh, quick!
close.
Close it.
That's it.
Now open the other one.
Wait.
What's that?
Wait. Open.
Now,
Go.
Don't open the snake one. You open the snake one. Dang it.
No.
Okay.
Spider played it yesterday.
Okay. Right. So day 18.
Lemon patty.
Let's try again. Okay. Let the pelican go. Okay.
Now quick, press every single one.
Okay.
You open both of them.
You said press every single one. So that's why you confused him. Let him do it himself. Okay. So let's see if Musa can do it. Come on, Musa, you can do it.
That's,
I think it's on the menu.
no, it's not in the menu.
Open it. I think the game's on the menu. What? Ah, you're not fast enough, Musa.
Somebody try.
I'm capable.
We're gonna stay on day 18 forever and ever.
Wait. Oh man.
Okay, we can go back to
I
sleep.
think you have to open that one, then open the snake one, then.
Okay, let Baya do it.
Elephant will die,
We'll-
then poop.
Let Baya do it. Let Baya do it.
No, Bayer played it yesterday.
I know.
Oh, come
We're gonna stay on day 18 forever.
I'm gonna know.
No, you're not.
Calm down. I got it, okay?
We're older than you. Okay? You need to
I
chill.
used to have the pussy. I thought
Okay.
that.
Okay, can we go back to sleep?
Sorry.
You can go to sleep. Let him do it. Let him do it.
Oh, man.
He'll get tired.
I'm already sweating.
Musa, you know you don't have to do that all the time. You know the one that has a tail peeking out? That means there's snake inside. Okay, so Musa, if you get it wrong, then just press.
Can I take my job?
Okay, now. Close it.
Papa!
I got you on my lap. So
Okay, I'll get off your lap.
no, stay. Wait.
Oh, you got this. I'm already scared.
Close. Get the DS. Or whatever that thing is.
What's it?
I used to have one of those.
I got it. We're moving. We're moving.
Finally.
We're moving.
Okay.
18 was like selfish.
Selfish?
How-
Don't even make sense.
Go turn the lights off.
I think there's a...
How long does this go for the whole year?
No, it goes on for about 3 months.
What? We ain't gonna do 4 months. We'll do this last one.
An
in
egg,
This video.
an egg, shoot the egg.
So this game is pretty cool. I like it, but it's a bit.
These
Okay,
I want it.
I like it. I like it.
I like it. I like it. Simply cover
Okay,
like
once we do this,
snakes.
I am going to day 20. So what do you have to do in this one?
Try looking the other one. No,
No, I
not
can
that.
see it. It's there.
You can see the snake thing. No, that's a wallet.
Okay.
That's a real ball. I think you broke a vase. No, you broke the window. Maybe you try look out the window. Open the window.
It's gonna go out the window.
Yeah,
I don't know.
go back.
I have no idea.
Okay, now get the golf ball.
Need the ball.
We need the ball.
Get the ball.
That's
it.
an egg.
That's an egg. That's gonna splash your mom's face. That's the ball.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hit it. Hit it. Yo. Okay, so was it? Hey! Tap it.
He didn't even do it.
Whoa, we done it. Like the game.